Hello everyone, this is Karthik Selvaraj, and in this video 7 of Mule ESP tutorials we will be seeing about HTTP connectors. So the agenda of this video will be to have an overview about HTTP connectors, and we will be building a service using HTTP connectors, and we will be testing the same using Postman plugin. So let me go to Anypoint Studio. So HTTP demo is the project that I have created, so the canvas is empty. So first we can have an HTTP connector to the canvas. Okay. So in turn you need to select a connector configuration over here. So let me do it. So let us have it as localhost so that we can test that service in our local machine. And your service can be hosted in any port, and this port should not be used by any other service. Okay. So the port should be basically free to use. So let us host this service in a 93. So 8093. Okay. So I'll be explaining about the space path later. Okay, and let us have this path as test. So that's it. So I'm saying it, and after that we can have a set payload node. So set payload does just we can set anything that needs to be returned to this service. When we hit this service, what needs to be returned can be provided over here. So let us make a message HTTP connector works. So this will be the message which will be provided back to the browser or tool which you are using when you hit this service. Okay. So let's deploy the Mule application. So it has been successfully deployed. So to test this service, we will be using a plugin called Postman, which is available for free in Chrome. So maybe I'll make a short video on how to download it. So it's pretty simple. So now we have hosted the service on localhost 8093 slash test. Okay, when and the reason that why we are using a plugin like Postman, or you can use SOAP UI, or you can use NetTools, because from your browser, whenever you hit URL like this, the only method that it can do is get. So if we want to have a post, put or delete, we need to use such tools like a Postman. So that's the only reason we are going to use Postman for our tutorials. So let us send, and you can see the message that has been displayed, HTTP connector works, which has been set in the set payload mode. Now let's go back to that configuration again. Okay, in the connector we have a base path over here. Suppose all our services are to be under a bigger category called say services, we can have it over here. So if I have the path base path as services, now our service will be hosted in localhost port 8093 slash services, and then comes the slash test which we have configured over here. Okay, so this is how it will be. Now let us deploy this again. Okay, so this URL is no more valid, because let us try sending a, so you can see that it has provided a message resource not found. Basically this URL is no more valid. So now the service runs in this URL. So when we have a request, it tells us HTTP connector works. So think we have covered both the topics. So we will be seeing about the different types of variables in my next video. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.